Greetings, I'm Dev the developer. Arrays and lists let you look things up by position. Item 0, item 1, item 2. That works fine when order is what matters, but sometimes you want to look something up by name. That's what a dictionary does. You give it a key, you get a value back. This lesson covers dictionaries in C#. A real dictionary is the perfect analogy for this. You look up photosynthesis. That's the key. You get a definition back. That's the value. You don't know or care what page number it is on. You look it up by the word itself. A phone book works the same way. Look up a name, get a phone number. A price list, look up an item, get a price. A settings file, look up a property name, get a value. C#'s dictionaries with two type parameters work exactly the same way. The first type parameter is the key type. The second is the value type. Lookup is immediate, the same instant access you get with an array index, except you're using any type as the index instead of just a number. The square bracket syntax works for both creating new entries and for updating existing ones. If the key doesn't exist yet, it gets created. If it does, the value gets overwritten. That's actually useful because updating an entry uses exactly the same syntax as adding one. You can also initialize a dictionary with entries already inside it. One rule to know: keys must be unique. If you assign to the same key twice, the second assignment replaces the first. There's no duplicate key error, it just overwrites. Here's an important one. If you try to look up a key that doesn't exist in the dictionary, you get a key not found exception, a runtime crash. So before you look something up, you need to either know it's there or check first. There are two ways to do this safely. Both work. TryGetValue is the preferred pattern in real C# code because it's one operation instead of two. It attempts to look up and returns true if the key exists, putting the value into the variable you declare with the out keyword right there in the call. If the key doesn't exist, it returns false and your program keeps running. No exception. You'll see TryGetValue all over real code bases, so you should probably get comfortable with it. You can loop over a dictionary with foreach. Each iteration gives you a key value pair, which is just a small object with a key property and a value property. One thing to be aware of: dictionaries don't guarantee any particular iteration order. The items might come back to you in the order you added them, or they might not. It depends on the internal structure. If order matters, a list is the right tool. If fast lookup by key is what you need, a dictionary is the right tool. Dictionaries are one of the most useful data structures in any programming language. Once you understand the key-value pair, a large category of problems become much more natural to solve. Go write one. Build a phone book or a scoreboard or a word counter, anything where you're mapping one thing to another. Don't just watch it, do it.